This is the VG54 full Android smartwatch in an always-on screen display. Double tap to turn it on. Tap the watch face to change colors. Twist the knob to change the different ones. Wow! Really, really sweet. Swipe down, you get all of your controls here, including alarms and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and data. Yep, SIM card. Works in the US for data and phone calls. You got switching and stretching and volumes and all kinds of things. We cover that in the full app. When you come back here and swipe to the right, you get into a music player. Nice, loud speaker on this one. Really great quality. Come this way. You've got your watch face, your step count for the day, your heart rate for the day. Haven't recorded any of these for today's review, but they're there. And your blood oxygen is measured as well, which uses green and red diodes. Over here, you can disable some of those or enable them, however you would like to do. Really fun. When you tap the top button, you're getting into your overall app drawer that includes all of these different things. Full on Android, so it's got maps in it, it's got Google Play Store in it, you got video players, sporting activities, the one-click drainage. It's a kind of a sound to shake the water out of it. I guess that means it's a waterproof watch, right? And more. And because it's an Android watch, you can install your own apps, either side-loading or from the Google Play Store, which I've done, including things like the always-on display you saw at the beginning. That's not stock with this watch. That's an add-on. The little circle here is floating toucher. We'll learn all about that. Organized drawer to show you all of your apps in alphabetical order. That's there. And more. Lots of different fun things. If I swipe up and to the right, I can go into a visualizer that I've installed and can show you how to download this to install it yourself. If you go off this way, I got a button thing installed so that we can take a look at I am a scope. Anyway, lots of enjoyment and things that you can do with this one. It is a rubberized band that goes on it, removable, fully integrated body, excellent design. Oh, and did I mention, I don't think I did, that we have a pull-out camera on here? Yep, pull this out. Looks forward at what you're looking at there. Now you can switch it around so it's not upside down. Nice, beautiful day outside. Switch it back again. I can twirl it up and I can say hello to you. Hi, I'm Mr. Tix. Yeah. Wow. Okay. I can take video. I can take pictures. I can do it all. And I can slap it back into its case. And nobody knows there's a camera in there. It is the VG54 Android smartwatch. Check it out.